1 to 1 is there, right? So let's see this. Okay, good. I think, guys, please, actually, when the session is start, right? Please see that. I think today by default recording is not going on. We have need to enable it. 1 minute, I will check it. The videos, how many videos are recorded? Yeah, it's going there. There multiple videos are there, but data GP. No, guys. These are the videos. Last only 2 videos only is there, right? Oh, last videos are not recorded. Okay, no problem. Guys, please observe it, okay? Because today I don't know. The recording is not going on by default, right? Whenever I'm starting the meeting at the time, the recording is not going on. Okay, I will check it. What kind of how many sessions is recorded and what is that? Okay, don't worry about that. But actually, please remind me once if the meeting is end and whenever we are starting, if the recording is not going on, please remind it. Okay.
Okay, Ravi. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So good. So okay, let's move on and we will see that. Okay, so what is that? Let's see that 1 to 1 relation now, guys. Okay, what is that 1 to 1 relation now? Okay, good. One to many. Okay, good. Okay, guys. So okay, so see this. Okay, here what is that? Here employees there. What operation we are going to perform now, guys? 1 to 1 to what is that? 1 to many, right? 1 to many now. Okay, good. No, sorry. 1 to 1. It's my mistake. 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Okay, this is the last only, right? Okay, multiplicity. In the multiplicity, what is that? Last one. Lucian, what are you doing, man? Okay, you after tea break, you got much energy, and that energy you are showing on the screen. Don't show here, yaar. Control your finger. Okay. So 1 to 1, right? 1 to 1 operation. We are going to perform what? 1 to 1 operation now. Okay, guys. So what is that 1 to 1? What is that? What is that series? Okay, 1 to 1 relation, right? 1 means what? One table only having only one Ricardo, right? Only one table, one record per one record only, right? That is called what? 1 to 1 relation, right? So okay, good. So here what is that? Just think about that employee is there, right? Employee has what? Profile, right? Employee has what? Profile now. Okay, good. So if how we can see that? Okay, so what relation between employee and profile now, guys? 1 to 1 relation, right? 1 to 1 relation. Okay, so okay, guys, so what is that relation is now? 1 to 1 relation. So if we want to perform 1 to 1 relation, what annotation we will use it now, guys? At the rate 1 to
At the rate 1 to 1.
1 to 1, right? 1 to 1. But if we use the 1 to 1 also, guys, okay, our application will not become what is that 1 to 1. By default, our application will not behave as what? 1 to 1. So how we can make it like how we can make it this one as what? This one as what? 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Okay. So okay, guys. So 1 to many, 1 to 1 is there, right? Here we will make this, right? We will make one property is there, right? What is that property? Unique, right? Unique. Okay, unique equal to true. We will make as what? We will make this one as what? True. Okay, then our table will behave as a what? what our table will be have as what 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. Okay, good. So okay, in the case of, okay, just think about that employee table is there and a profile table is there, right? So how we can make the table as what unique now? How we can make the table foreign key as a unique? We have make the foreign key as a unique, means what duplicate will not is allowed. In what our table, what is that duplicate will not allow. So first you have to tell what is that 1 to 1 is what collection based or non-collection based now, guys?
Non-collection.
Non-collection. Good. So non-collection means what is that? Whatever attribute we will take, that attribute will be collection or non-collection now, guys, in the parent class.
Non-collection type.
Non-collection. Good, good. Very good. Very good. Okay, non-collection we will take, right? So okay, just think about that. I'm going to create what is that? This what is that employee profile, right? I'm going to create what is that UML diagram of what this application. So okay, let's see that. Okay, so what is that now? So here see this. Okay, so here what is that com dot rk dot what is that model is there, right? Model inside that what profile, inside that what profile is there, inside that profile means profile class we are creating now, guys. Okay, so what is that, the what the data is there, prof profile id, right? Profile id, just I'm taking what profile id. Okay, profile id is what int type, integer type. Another one is what, another one is what profile code, right? Another one is what profile code is string type only, right? String type. Another one is what profile what is that, profile experience, right? Experience, right? Profile experience, what is that, double I'm taking, right? Profile experience I'm taking what, double. And what is that profile package, profile what is that, profile package, I'm taking the profile package also. Okay, I'm taking what profile package, right? Not double. Package is what, double only, guys. Okay, these are the data is there in, okay, this data is there in the profile, right? In the profile, employee profile. Good. So okay, fine now, guys. So what is that, see this is the UML diagram of what, our profile now. Okay, okay, so here what we will do now, okay, so we will create one more UML diagram about what, employee class, right? We will create one more UML diagram about what, employee class. Good. So here what is that now, guys? Here com dot rk dot what is that, model, right? Model data package. Okay, inside that what is that, employee is there, right? Employee is there. Okay, inside that employee, what is that, emp id is there, right? Emp id, that is the integer, emp id. Another one is what, emp name is there, right? Emp name, that is what, string type. Okay, guys, string type. Another one is what, another emp what is that, designation. Okay, that is what, string type only, right? That is what, string type. Okay, another one is what, I'm making the easy relation between what is that, model. So what is that, profile.
Has a relation.
Yeah,
Has a
sorry, has a
relation.
relation. Good, good, very good. Has a relation. We are going to make what is that, has a relation between what is that, more profile. So what is that profile, we will take the attribute now. Okay, this is the UML diagram of what now, guys, our model class, right? Our what, model class now. Good. Okay, good. So what relation we can make it between these two classes, has a relation is there, right? In this UML diagram to this UML diagram, what is the relation is there now, guys? Has a relation is there now, right? Okay, good. So Okay, what is the relation now? Has it? Has a relation, right? Has a relation. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. Based on that, okay. So let's see that based on this profile, right? The table representation. We will see the table representation now, guys. Okay. Okay. So table, how table we will create, how table our JPA will create the table now, guys. Okay, and how the data will store and how we can make that table as a what? That table as what? Unique, foreign key as a unique, and how then we can say that what is that? This is the one-to-one relation, right? Then we can say that what? One-to-one relation now, guys. Okay, so see this, what is that? Just think about that, what? One table is there, right? One table, this is the one table. Okay, this is what? Another table is there, right? This is the another table. Good. So okay, fine now, guys. So here what is that? See this. Okay, here see this, what? Here see this. Okay, so here what is that? EMP tab, right? EMP tab. Okay, EMP tab, this one is the EMP tab is now, and this one is what? This one is what? Profile. This is the profile tab, right? This is what? Profile tab. Good. So very good. Okay, so inside that, what is that? So see this, okay, guys. So I said that, right? If what is that? Multiplicity side, right? Multiplicity. So multiplicity, and the thing is, we can say what is that? We can say this is the 1 to 1 also, and what is that? We can say what is that? Many to 1, right? Many to 1. Okay.
Yeah,
So
many to one.
many to 1 also, right? Because because here see in the 1 to 1 also, where foreign key will generate in the parent table only, guys. Okay, in the
Yes,
parent
current.
parent table
Parent,
only.
but
But what is
duplicate
that? Foreign key will be unique. Foreign key will be
unique,
unique. Duplicate will
unique.
not accept. Okay, duplicate will not accept it, guys. Okay, so good. Let's see that. Okay, let's see that as a practical now. Okay, let's see the things as a practical. Good. So here what is that? See this. Okay, here one, what is that? EMP ID is there, right? 1 minute, we will write first. Okay, here what is that? EMP ID, EMP ID. Another one is what? EMP name,
EMP
right?
name.
Just take E name only, right? E name. Another one is what? E designation, E designation, and another one is what? One more will profile foreign key, right? One more column will generate here, what? Profile foreign key, right? Okay, guys. So good. But this one will be unique. I will explain. Okay, I will explain. Okay, don't worry about it. Again, here what is that? See this. Okay, what is this? Here, see. Okay, good. Okay, so here what is that? P profile ID, right? Here what is that? Profile ID is there. Profile code is there. Profile code is there, and what is that? Profile PF, right? Just P. What is that? P experience, right? P experience, and what is that? P package. P package, right? Package. Okay, good. These are the fields are there inside that what? Profile, right? Inside that what, guys? Profile now. Okay, good. So okay, good. So what we will do now? So this is the right. Okay. So okay, guys. So okay, just think about that. Just what is that? Here, what we are going to, we are storing the data now. Okay, what we are doing now? First, okay, first, okay. Now let's give the name of what is that employee? Padma, right? And what is that? She is the developer. She is the developer. Okay. Another one is what? Still here null will be, data will be there, guys. Okay. Don't worry about it. Right? Okay. Another one employee. Let's take her to Sudhir only, right? Sudhir. Okay. Sudhir. And what is that? Just think about he's the business analyst. Okay. He's the business analyst. Okay. Good. So another one is what I'm taking third, right? Third, I'm taking Satish. Satish, right? Satish. Third person is what? Satish now. Okay. So Satish, just I'm taking Satish QA. QA, okay. Don't worry, you are developer, but let's enjoy the session now. Okay.
No issue, Ravi. No issue. No issue.
Okay. These three employee are there, right? These three employees there. And what is that profile now? These three people profiles. Let's see that. Okay. 10. 10 I'm taking, right? 10 I'm taking. What is that? Just what is that? Profile code I'm taking PER only, right? Profile code. And what is that package? Sorry, experience C is having what is that 8.5 years experience, and package I'm giving what is that 15.9. Okay, 15.9 now, guys. Okay, three people are there, three profile will be there, right? Three profile also will be there inside that. What is that child table now, guys? Okay, so here what is that 11 is there now, and what is that PET? Okay, profile code I'm giving. Okay, PET, and after then what is that 5.5? Okay, what is that experience? Okay, experience and package I'm giving 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. Okay, good. So another person, another one more person is there now, guys. Okay, 12. Okay, I'm taking the 12. Okay, 12. 12. Okay, okay, 12. What is the PTH? The profile code, right? And what is that? 8.0. 8.0. Okay, 8.0 I'm giving, right? 8.0. And what is that? 12. The 12 package. What is that? 12. Okay, 12 lakh. I'm giving the package. This is the okay. This is the profiles are there, and these are the people are there. Who's the employee now? Okay. So if we map, right, means if we join, means if we perform one to one, right? One Padma profile is what is that? This one, okay. 10. Her ID is what? 10 in the child table, and what is that? Experience 8.5 and 15. Okay. So if we perform the multiplicity, then what is that? This primary key, right? This primary key will become here foreign key. Here, what is that? Foreign key. This primary key means what is that? Front of what is that? It will become 10. Again, if we want to store for the another developer like Sudhir is there 10, then it will not accept. Means what is that? We will get error. We will get error. It will not, because this foreign key is what? Unique. Because this foreign key is what? Unique. This foreign key is what? Unique. Okay. So now good. So other Sudhir is there, right? Sudhir profile is what? Sudhir profile table is this one. Okay. What is the detail? Based on this primary key, what we will do now? We will store the primary key as a what? In the parent table. What is that? Parent key. Now good. Another one is what? 12, right? Another one is what? 12. Okay, 12. So Satish is there, right? Satish is there. Satish profile is what now, guys? Satish is a PhD, right? And 8 and a 12 lakh package is there, right? Good. So what is that? I'm storing the 12, right? Based on that, what is that foreign key? We can recognize that are not his profile. What is the details are there now, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay. 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 So what is that? What is that? This one is the primary key of what? Child table, and this one is what? Foreign key. And this primary key, this primary key will connect with what is that? Parent table, foreign key. Okay. Based on that, we can recognize or not. But what is that? What will happen now in the many to one? In the many to one. Okay, I will show it. Okay. We seen that in the many to one. What is that series? Where? One to many, and what is that? Many to one. This one, right? This is the many to one table is there, right? In the many to one, what is there now? See this, only what is that? Only one admin person, but we can store what is that? We can store what is that? Multiple foreign key. Means what is that? This foreign key is duplicated or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, yes.
Oh.
Duplicate is there.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes,
What about
sir.
others now? So in the
Yes.
case of what? In the case of many to one, right? In the case of many to one, what will happen now? Duplicate we can store as a foreign key. But if the relation is there between what is that table? If the relation is there between two table, what is that? One to one, right? One to one, then duplicate is not allowed to store in this column, guys. Okay. In this column, what is that? in this column, right? Duplicate is not allowed. Okay, we can't store duplicate. Means what is whatever data will be there, those data will be unique, like how our primary key is the unique now. Okay, got the point? Clear it?
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
got it.
Yes, sir.
This is
Clear,
clear,
right?
sir.
In the
Yes.
case of 1-to-1, right?
Yes, sir.
In the case of what? 1-to-1. So okay, so I will show it. Okay, just what we will do now, if we remove the unique property, right, by default this application will be have what is that, many to one, guys. Okay, but if we make this application in the what is that property, one to many, as a unique, then it will be start to be having as a what is that, 1-to-1 now. That's only what is that, one line statement. Just make the unique if you want to. If many to one is there, relation between what is the two table, if you want to make that what is that, 1-to-1 relation, then you have to take the property unique. If you take the unique, then what is that, foreign key will not accept as a what, duplicate. I don't know, today the people are disturbing a more. Akhil Sai, why you are unmuting? Yeah, please mute yourself. This kind of people, he is not listening. Just what is that? He is connected in the meeting, and he is disturbing others also. I will remove you. Think about that. He's not listening. Don't show unresponsibility right here. If you really want to listen the session, come. Okay, one person is there and that person is dedicated. That is the enough. No need to increase the count. Okay, one person is good. That's enough. Okay, guys. So, okay, let's perform the operation now, guys. Okay, let's work on this and we will analyze the 1-to-1 relation now. Okay, so good. So let's see that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one application now. Okay, we are going to create one application now. So before creating the application, let's create one database. Inside that, what our application now, create the database, right? What is that? 1-to-1, right? 1-to-1. Good. Okay, I created 1-to-1 database now. Okay, so come here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm creating one application now. New, what is that? Spring Starter project, right? So here, what is that? Employee. Let's take what is that? Employee. What is that? 1-to-1, right? 1-to-1. Good. So next, what is that? Lombok Spring Data JPA, and what is that? MySQL driver. Okay. So now next, finish. One-to-one, right? Good. So okay, open the property. We are not going to write again. Okay, just copy and paste it, and just we will what is that, modify those things. Okay, guys. So okay. So here, what is that? Employee there, na? Make as what? 1-to-1, right? 1-to-1. Good. 1-to-1. This is only, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. So okay, guys. So right click, okay, right click new, take one class. Okay, so what is that? Entity, right? What is that? Here, what we will take now, what is the class name, guys? Profile, right? Profile. Okay, take it. What is that? Profile now, finish it. Okay, good. So here, what we will do now, we will take the all property private. What is that? Private profile, what is that? ID, right? Another one is what? Private Integer. Okay, integer. Good. Integer, right? What is that? String, right? String. What is that? Profile name, right? Profile name. Another property is what now, guys? Everyone in the discharge.
Yes, Ravi, yes. No,
Profile
no.
code, right? Profile code is there. Okay. Another one is what? Profile code. Another one is what now, guys? Private. Another one is what?
Profile piece. Profile
Private.
piece.
Okay. Another one is what? Profile experience. Profile code is there, right? Profile code, profile experience, right? Profile code and what is that? Profile code and what is that?
Profile experience.
Experience. Okay, good. So another one is what? Profile
Profile
experience. That is
package.
the double, right? And
Profile
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 package.
experience.
This is the
Double.
okay, good. This is the double. Another one is what now? Private. Private. Another one is what? Private
Profile
double.
package.
Profile
Package.
package. Okay. This is the these are the data is there. Okay. So what we will do now here at the rate entity, right? At the rate entity, and another one is what? Another one is what?
Data.
At the
Data.
at the rate data. Another one is what? At the rate
Operator. No are constructor.
Constructor.
at the rate
All
no
are
mass
constructor.
constructor. Another one is what?
All
Another
are
one is
constructor.
at the rate
Constructor.
at the rate all are
All are
constructor, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So fine now, guys.
And
Good,
at
good.
the ID. ID.
Yeah. Another one is what? At the rate ID.
At
At the
the
rate
ID.
ID. Okay. Now fine, but here why the data? Okay. At the rate. Good. Okay. Now fine now, guys. Profile is created now. So what we will do now here a little bit big is there now. So what we will do now? Let's take at the rate column annotations, right? At the rate what? Column annotation. Oh, sorry. At the rate column. Okay. Name equal to what? I'm taking what is the PID. Okay, guys. PID. Another one is what? Take another, right? Another one is what? Paste it here. Another one is what? PID. And what is that? P code. P code.
Code.
P code. Okay. Another one is what? Experience, right? Another one is what? P experience. P experience. Another one is what? P package. P package. Okay. Okay, good. P package. Okay. Now fine. Now our entity profile entity class is ready now, guys. Okay, good. So another one is what? Another one is what? Employee is there, right? Now let's create it now, guys. Okay, right click, new, and what class? Take the class. Okay. So what is the class name? Employee, right? Employee. Good. So here what we will take now? Fine. Okay, finish. Okay. Here what is the profile properties are now? What is the profile properties now, guys? See this. Okay.
Property.
EMP
Employee
ID, EMP name, EMP designation, right? So here what is that? Private string. What is that? EMP ID.
No, integer, Ravi. Integer.
Yeah, good. Okay, here what is that? Integer, right? Integer. Okay, another one is what now, guys? Another property is what?
EMP
Private
name. EMP
Private
name.
string. What is that? Employee name, right?
EMP name.
Another one is what?
Employee designation.
Employee designation.
Yeah, string EMP. What is that? DESG, right? DSG designation. Another one is what? Private. What is that? Profile.
Profile object.
Profile object, right?
Yes.
Profile object. And what is that? POB.
Yes.
OB just profile object I'm taking, right? These are the data now. Here what we will take at the rate entity, guys. Okay?
Data at the rate entity.
Yeah. At the rate entity. At the rate what? Data.
Data. At the rate no R constructor.
Good, good, very good. At the rate what? At the rate no R
No,
constructor.
no R.
constructor.
Yes.
All are
At the rate
constructor.
all R constructor.
Yes. At the rate what? All are constructor.
At the rate ID.
Okay, good. Very nice. Very nice. Good response. Okay. So now what is that? At the rate ID, right? At the rate ID,
Yes.
we will take the at the rate ID. Okay. At the rate column also we will take, guys. Okay.
Okay.
At the rate what? Column. Inside that what we will specify, we will take the attribute of name, and inside that EID. EID we will take, right? Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So here what is that? Here what is that? E name. Okay. We will take what? E name. E name. Okay. Another one is what? Another one is what?
EDEG.
Okay.
EDESG.
Okay. Here what is that? EDESG. Okay.
DESG. Yes.
Designation. Okay. Another one is
Yes.
what?
At the rate 1 to 1.
Sorry. Good, good. Very nice. Very nice, Satish. Okay. So here what we will take at the rate 1
1 to
to
1.
many, right?
1 to 1. 1 to 1.
1 to
Ah.
1.
Oh, sorry. 1 to 1.
1.
And unique equal to true.
Good. Very nice. Okay. So good. We are applied all annotations now, guys. Okay. We applied on the top of what? All annotations. So now what we will do now? We will take at the rate
Unique.
join,
Yes.
right? At the rate join column. Which column we are joining now? So we will give the name of, right here. What is that? This name we have need to take, right?
Yes.
Come on. So for that, what annotation
Yes.
we learn in the last? At the rate join column, right? At the rate, what is
Yes.
that? Join column. Inside that, what we will do now, guys? Name equal to, right?
Name equal to.
Name equal to P.
PFK, right?
PR tab.
Okay.
PFK. Okay. Now, comma. What is that? Comma. After then, what we will take? Unique.
Unique. Unique equal to true.
I will show that unique equal to true. Very nice. Very nice. Good, good. Very good, Satish. Okay. So here, what is that? This is the entity is ready now, guys. Employee entity. What is that? Because of that, right? Because of that, unique equal to true. Here we can take what is that? Many to one also annotation. Okay. Many to one also annotation. If we make this one as a what? Unique, then what is that? Our many to one also we started to be having what is that? 1 to 1 only. Okay. So good. So 1 to 1 annotation we applied means our what entity class is ready now, guys. Okay. Till now work be completed. Okay. So now after running this and putting the data, right, we will see this concept now. Okay. So let's see that. Okay. Let's see that and we can perform the operation now. Okay. So how we can perform it now, guys? So okay. So what we will do now? Let's write the repository, right? What we will do
Profile
now?
repository and employee repository.
Good, good, very nice. Com dot rk dot what? Com dot rk dot another one is what is that? Repository, right? So what is that? Profile.
Profile repository.
Profile repository, right? Okay, good. So what we will do now? Here we will extend, right? Extends. Okay. Extend what? Extend what is that? JPA repository.
GPA
Right?
repository.
Repository.
Yeah, JPA repository. Good. So here what we will take now, guys? Profile as the argument as what? Profile now, right?
Profile. Yes.
Okay. Profile will be there. Now here what is the integer, right?
Integer.
This one is what? This is the integer.
Integer.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now our what is that? A profile repository is ready now. Another
Employee repository.
one more repository. Good.
repository.
So what is that?
Employee repository.
Employee
Repository.
repository. Good. Now finish it. Okay. So here what we will do now? Extend.
Extends.
Hmm.
JPA repository.
JPA repository, right? Okay, here what we will take now, guys? What we will take now? Employee, right?
Employee.
Employee. Integer.
Yes.
Integer.
Employee. Here what we will
Integer.
take now? Integer.
Integer.
Now our both repository is ready or not, guys? Come on. So let's put the data and let's test it. Okay, as expected, our what is that? Whatever your explanation is there, based on our explanation, our practical is working or not, guys. Okay, let's see that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we will do now, right click new, and what is that? Class. Okay,
The
here
new
what we
class.
will do now, com dot what, rk dot date, okay, data run, right? And here what we will take, 1-to-1 employee 1-to-1, right? 1-to-1 relation. Okay, now finish it. Good. So here what we will do now, guys, what we will do now, extend, right?
Extends command line argument.
Yes, very nice. Extend command line runner, right?
Yes, command line runner.
Okay. Hey, what is this?
Sorry.
Implements, sir, not extends, implements.
Are very nice. Good, very good, Manjulata. Good observation. Command line runner. Okay. Inside that, what one abstract method is there, right? Abstract method. We will override. Now, how our IOC container will create the object of this class now, guys?
@ component.
Good.
Other
Very
component.
nice. Very nice. After then, what we will do now? Private
Two properties.
private profile, right?
Profile
Private
repository.
profile. Okay.
Profile repository and employee repository.
Yes, good, very good. Profile, right? P
Repo.
repo. Okay. Another one is what? Private. What is that? Employee repository, right? Employee repository. Good. So here, what is that now? Employee repository, right? E repo, right?
Upon on them at the auto wire.
Yeah. So to inject this object inside this, what is that dependent class? So for that, auto what? Auto wire annotation we will apply on the top of both attribute, right? Both what? Attribute now. Okay, what? Auto wire, right? Good. Very good. So good, guys. Okay, so what we will do now next is what?
So to add it to the profile.
Okay.
Profile.
So okay. So good. So fine now. So let's put the data and we can see this. Okay, guys, we can see the things. Okay. So okay. So what we will do now here? Profile. Take the profile, right?
Profile P1 equal to.
Yes. Profile 1 equal to what? New profile. Okay. So here what I'm taking 10, right? 10 profile 1 data is what? Profile code is what? Profile code is what now, guys? PER, right? PER. Okay. Another one is what now? Guys? Another one is what?
8.5.
8.5. Okay. Good, Damrani.
Yes.
Another one is what?
15.5.
15.9.
5.
Okay. So this is the profile 1 data. Means what is that? This is the Padma data now. Okay, good. Another one, let's take the Sudhir data. Okay. Sudhir data is what? 2. And what is that? ID is what now, guys? 11. 11 only.